Trip types are a powerful way to categorize your trips based on the style or format of the experience they offer, like group tours, private tours, or day trips. This helps your travelers quickly find the type of trip that suits them best. Each trip type shows a featured image, the trip type name, and the number of trips available. When a traveler clicks a trip type, they can see all the related trip packages. Let's set this up for your site. First, you need a dedicated trip types page to showcase this grid. If you use one of the official WP Travel Engine themes, this page is often created for you automatically. You can check by going to Pages and then All Pages in your dashboard. If you don't see a trip types page, simply create a new one. Name it Trip Types and add a brief description to introduce visitors to this section. Next, check the page template settings in the right sidebar. Under the Page tab, be sure to select the Trip Types template. This setting tells your website to display the grid layout with all the trip categories. Remember to set a featured image for this page. This image acts as a large header banner that appears above the trip types grid on your site. Choose a sharp, appealing landscape photo that reflects your brand's spirit. Once everything is ready, click Publish, and then View Page to see how it looks. You should see your banner stretching across the top, followed by the trip categories below. Now it's time to add the actual trip types. In your dashboard, go to Trips and select Trip Types. Here, on the left side, you will find the option to add a new trip type. Start by entering a name, such as Group Tour or Private Tour. The system automatically creates the slug from this name. If you want to organize your trip types further, you can assign a parent trip type. For example, Luxury Private Tour can be a subcategory under Private Tour. Otherwise, leave it blank. You can skip the description field. Themes usually take care of displaying it in the right way. Next, upload an image for this trip type. This thumbnail will appear in the grid box, so choose something clear and representative. After that, add a short description that gives a quick idea of what this trip type offers. Once done, click Add New Trip Type. On the right side, you will see the list of your existing trip types, along with how many trips are assigned to each one. You can edit or delete any of them from here. When you click View for any trip type, you will visit its page. At first, it may show no results because trips have not been assigned to it yet. Let's assign trips to these categories. Go to Trips and open any existing trip by clicking Edit. On the right sidebar, scroll to the Trip Types box. Tick the boxes for any trip types that fit this trip. For example, assign a trip to Group Tour if it fits that style. After saving, the count on your trip types page will update automatically. Repeat this process for all your trips as you see fit. Now, if you return to the trip types page on your live site, you will see trips listed under their categories. This makes the page useful and engaging for visitors looking to find their perfect adventure. Using trip types to organize your trips brings both clarity and professionalism to your website. It guides your visitors smoothly to the journeys they want, making it easier for them to find and book with confidence. If you have any questions or need more detailed help, our documentation is a great resource. And of course, our support team is always ready to assist. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we wish you happy planning and successful bookings.